Gandang gabi. If ever... Yan na. Good evening to you. Imagine. Yes. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. I need a coffee, I think. Mapsy, hi, Mapsy. Hello, Big. Welcome again. Welcome back, Mapsy. Thank you. Pag-ibig na nadarama para lang sa'yo at thank you for the 2 people. Salamat. Thank you the 4. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Sorry, Ayan. Hi. Paluwayan mo ka, nakalive ako, Gab. Thank you for the 7 people. Thank you for the 3. 10. What means? Eat a bread. Yes, eat a bread. No bread. Soren. Where are you from? Tibes. Nani? Axial call. Hello. Dutch. Axial. You're from Romania. Welcome here. Sorry, Naya. Thank you for the thumbs. Hi, Golden Pizza. Thank you, Golden Pizza. Wow. Sorry, English. Masakit na naman. Thank you for the, how are you tonight? I'm doing good tonight. I'm fine. $40. I brought a bread, 40 pesos only. Okay. What means? What means Soren? I don't understand your language. Maybe translate it in English. Hello, Bell, Rain, Safe, Tubes. One, your family. Cold, so my fine. Thank you for the 6 thumbs up. W. That. All of you, my heart for you, your friend. Okay, thank you, Axel call. Lasing ka? Hindi. Hindi ako lasing. Alan aliasas. Mukha lang. Mukhang lasing lang. Thank you for the 7 tusok. Salamat. sa 7 tusok, no? Thank you for the 12 million people here. Salamat. 7 thumbs up. Good evening, Mother. Hi, Vigo. Thank you. Thank you, Vigo. Kumain ka na ba? Pangyahin kita. Huh? It was your day. Yes, it was my day. How are you? I'm fine, Rodrigo. Thank you, Rodrigo, for the thumbs up. To sing and dance, okay. The, the, yay, 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 yay. Rice is life. Philippines people should stop saying that. Simon toast. Good. Are not be sick and tired of eating rice. Yahoo! Very good. No, Simon. Di ka lasing baka hangover. Naku, puyat ka mo. I am at work. Okay, Rodrigo. Morning there. Take care, Rodrigo, and God bless you always. There are plenty of food in the world, but why rice? We love rice. What's wrong with rice? I just subscribe because you don't eat rice. I eat rice. I love rice. I eat a lot of rice. Humans, that's their culture, yes. 10:30 morning. Okay. Good morning there, Rodrigo. Okay, pahinga ka muna. I like rice. Thank you, Golden Pizza. I like rice. Hello, my love, beautiful girl. Good morning. I'm glad to see you. I love you so much and kisses. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Okay, Tim, I understand now. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye, Rodrigo. Thank you so much for coming here. Always in my life. Thank you so much. Asan ba asawa mo? Wala. Huwag mong hanapin yung wala. How you learn English? Your English is good. Just I learned. And just happened. So what? Have you eaten lechon? Yes, I ate lechon. Lechon manok, lechon baboy. Have you love me, my beautiful girl. Be my wife, okay? What? Thank you for the 15 thumbs up. Can you have told you already she's chicken? I'm chicken. Ligawan na lang kita. Wala pa eh. Hello, bonjour. Hi, bonjour. Bonsoir. Salut. Mitchell Tian, thank you. Mercy who? Mercy. Mercy. She's taken. No. Golden pizza. Thank you guys for joining. I want thing. I waiting for you in Russia, my love. I love you so much in kiss. Anto ka na eh. Yeah. So, hi guys. Good morning and evening. Good morning there, Insan. Good evening dito sa Bicol, Philippines. Antok na. Katapos lang ng eleksyon, burtuhan. Nakatulog na ng mahimbing. Joe Just. Joe Just. Is it raining there? No, not raining. How many children do you have now? One children, one child. I have one child, son. He's 8 years old. Hi, not Joe. Ah, okay. Merci to each gentle. Merci beaucoup. Merci to Michelle Tian. Why? Like number 9. Thank you, Big Lon. Hi, Big Lon. Thank you for the thumbs up. No, 15 people here. Hello, Guapa Cheryl. Hi, Big Lon. Big Lon here too. Golden Pizza. Spring Beauty, we say hi, Spring Beauty. Heavy rain here. Okay. Heavy rain. Tito, hindi mo done. Hey, how are you? Hi, Sam. How are you, Sam? Welcome back, Sam. You're looking so gorgeous, by the way. Salamat. Thank you. Double tap your screen, like, and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Big Lon. How are you, Sam? So lovely. Nantok na. Can I get a kiss? Ah, so no from me. Thank you for the 10 thumbs up, guys. And 13 people. Thank you so much. Nantok na. Hindi ko na kaya. My eyes falling down. Golden Pizza, hello. Nantok na. Hindi na kaya. Ah. Umungkan na. Lang. Tungtong kapitong dito, linangin sa dagat na. Thank you daw po. Kumusta, Butuhan Gas? May nanalo na. Nanalo yung talo ng nakaraan. Tapos yung nanalo nakaraan, tandem sila ngayon. May nanalo na.
Higa na, higa na. Higa. Higa na, dali. Higa na, katamotin na naman.
Gab, kaliman ako sinano tabi. Kuya Gab. Kuya. Gab. Gabriel. Gab. Gabriel. Gab. Gabriel. Pakaliman suwa tabi. Pakaliman ako suwa. 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 Oh. Salamat. Suwa.
Iko. Sarado na mga tindahan.
Di ka pa naghali.
Ikaw?
Hello. Good evening. Suhali. Hello. How are you? Sure you should of both ogre today. Ogre? Ogre? What ogre? How are you doing today? Doing it na. Ogre? What ogre means? I love you. Your children live in Moscow. Be my wife. Sugar.
Aning.
Sugar. Okay, I will buy sugar tomorrow. Hello from the other side. Hi, QB. Thank you, guys. Sugar. Sugar.
Ano ko na patinggaan? Naman. Grabe yun. Para na daw kumakit.
Ano ka?
Naulan mo ako. Wala ko sa iyo ng baba. Hindi ko na padaba.
Imuintis na mamay.
Yun ako na padaba. Hindi ako mapasay sa iyo.
Wrong type. It's okay.
Hanapin siya ako.
What is your name, Mela? My name is Sheryl. My name is Sheryl. Anong ulam? Fried fish. Tapos may sabaw. Jules Salcedo. Isda. Fried. Anong ulam mo dyan? Isda po. Ako na, Gab! Sabi ko, di man suwa. Suwa. Asuka. Suwa.
Sabi mo?
Suwa.
So, andi na kabati mo ito. Kaya Gab. Dali ah!
Thank you, Michelle. Lahat. Sarap ng isda kasi fresh lahat sa atin. I miss fresh seafood. Wanna go home now. Kana na. Come here na.
Nagbarabad gula.
Fresh seafoods.
Mamay? Mamay?
Mamay, magpakas na ako. Pinaklong na ako.
Stop eating to drinking water. Ask me please. You have love.
Oh, ano? Ano? Ikaw? Ay, yan. Lola na. Ilibir. Ay, nagawa. Ikaw? Ay. Ikaw. Ano? Look. Oh! Nawala na. Naula ka.
Nantok ako.
Wala na. Wala na. Na, ball. Ball. Na, ball. Wala na. Wala na. Na, ball. Wala na, ball.
Huh? What? Why deleted? If you may have it fun. Merhaba.
Ikaw? Bigyan ng mata mo. Ano bigyan ng mata mo?
Boys and girls. What's up? What means what's up? Boys and girls, the like button and thanks for coming to Cheryl's live. Please share her channel with others. Thank you, Kim. Thank you so much.
Ikaw. 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 Adam. Wala na, bol. Wala na, bol. Budak, nagkutod si Jayla. Nagkutod si Jayla.
Bong pagad.
Bye. Love baby ah.
Bye-bye. And it raised my eyes. Thank you so much. Falling down. Our eyes. Just what is your real name? Just first name.
Abilitan.
Bye-bye. Thank you for joining my
Ma.
live. Thank you so much. Love you guys.
Ma.